How's it going? You're here because you want to know ways to make money online. You're trying to get passive income. You're trying to be just like me, an average person, doing videos, making all sorts of money on a consistent basis. You're here to watch this video, not so to say because you don't believe you can make money online, but you're not sure that you can actually do it. You're not sure that you can come in and duplicate, find people, sell these products or offer these digital products and actually get paid. That's why I'm here to let you know anyone can do it. A lot of my videos are filmed in the same room, my studio room, whatever you want to call it. And video marketing has brought me a lot of success. I don't even have to go outside the house, and people are finding my videos all over the state, all over the cities, all over the world. There's so many different ways to get a product out there. A lot of you sit on social media, you post about the new Netflix, the new recipe, what we're doing with all this going on. That's a form of marketing. Word of mouth, social media, posting. You're posting these things because you're passionate about these things and you believe in these things. Even though they're not paying you, even though there's not a way you can make money online or passive income, you still promote these things because you are interested in them. So think of this on the flip side. The same type of advertising, but something that's going to put money in your pockets. When joining any of these companies, I tell people the same thing. It's probably exhausting by now. Find out what they are offering. Do you believe what they are offering? Right now, in the specific link below that you're going to click and fill your information out and get is digital products. Products you're going to download and be able to digest a lot of information that's going to really specifically show you how to sell anything online. People pay for education. You have to realize this. You pay to go to college. You pay for your real estate license. You pay for pretty much any certification in some shape or fashion. It's not free unless you have scholarships, grants, etc. But no education is free. People pay for education. People want to get ahead and people want to know how to stay ahead. So anything you come across in this industry of affiliate marketing, network marketing, make sure you believe in the product. Make sure you believe in the compensation plan. It makes sense. It's not a scheme, scam, or whatever you want to call it. It makes sense. You're exchanging a good of some sort for cash. Make sure there's actually a good, and not only a good, but something that is convenient to you. Then you want to make sure and figure out and understand, how do I want to get paid? What are my cost of living? What do I want to accomplish? Is it a better lifestyle, or is it more money just on the side, or is it to pay the bill? So make sure these companies are paying you exactly how you need to be paid, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, and the right percentages. The company, once again, you're going to click the link below and get the passive income company that I'm talking about is paying you 100% commission. So whatever product you come in and buy at the price point, that's what you're going to get paid exactly when you offer and sell one of these products. And it's really simple as that. We have different strategies. I know it's like a glare. I'm kind of moving around, but this is the comfort of my home. But that's the great thing about what we do. The amount we are getting paid for the efforts we are putting in is worth it. You're not exchanging your time for effort anymore. You're getting paid what you're worth. And on top of that, you're getting it on a daily basis, and it's unlimited. There's more to it, but I don't want to bore you. I know a lot of attention spans are only so long. So make sure you click the information in the bio below. This is my way to make money online in 2020. My my passive income source, one of them. You should always have multiple streams of income. But like I said, I'm not going to bore you. Make sure you subscribe and thumbs up this video if you've seen it on YouTube. Hope to see you on the other side.